Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you are all doing great. I have been MIA for a bit now, and it wasn't my intentions for it to go this long. I just wanted to come on here to first and foremost say hello to all of my subscribers who are still with me. I have been very busy. If you've come on my channel, you've seen that I really haven't been doing a whole lot of DIYs and not even really that many Dollar Tree hauls anymore. As I said, it wasn't my intention for things to go this long, but what happened is once my daughter started doing the remote learning, I really had to focus a lot of my attention to her because she is on an IEP, and so she needs that extra bit of help. And so first and foremost, I had to put priorities above my YouTube channel. And now she has just started doing remote learning for high school. It's her first year, and she is liking it, but it is different from elementary school because obviously there's not the online everyday meets and then a teacher who is constantly in your classroom online. So it is different this year and we have been adjusting. It's just taking some time. Of course, my intention with my channel is to always come back and to create more DIYs because I love doing that. And I also love sharing Dollar Tree hauls. But I just, as I said, haven't been able to do that. But as we are easing into grade 9 and as she gets accustomed to communicating with her online teachers and getting into the groove of things, I'm sure that I'm going to have more time to dedicate back to my channel. And that is the goal. So I had gone to the Dollar Tree and I wasn't even really going to do a haul because I just haven't been very active. But at the same time, from here, from time to time, I do have subscribers who reach out to me and just ask if everything is going well and if I'm planning on coming back. So I did want to make the video for that purpose, just to say that I am here still. I haven't decided to stop YouTube. It's just that until I can get things back on a good track where my daughter is settled and everything else is running smoothly, then it's going to give me more time to dedicate to this. Plus, I've also been getting more into my reborning. I do have another channel, if you weren't aware of, on YouTube where I make reborn dolls. I am a very new artist, so this is just something that again is very new, and I just even in that area haven't been able to dedicate the time that I wish that I could. And it is frustrating for me, and sometimes it does get me down, but I have had to take time away from other things to dedicate a bit of time with my dolls because I do plan on making them to sell them. So that is also important for me. But again, my daughter had to come first above everything else. So I just wanted to share this quick Dollar Tree haul. There's not a whole lot here, but there were a few items seasonally that I wanted to share. As well, I just noticed now as I was setting everything out on the table that our Dollar Trees here in Canada have started. I thought we were up to $1.50 for many items, for most items, but now I actually just saw this now because when I was picking these up, I must have picked up the containers that didn't have the sticker on them, but I just saw now that there are $2 items. And as far as I know, it's with the food, but I was shocked. I'm like, oh my gosh. I remember when things were $1 and now they've doubled. and I was just very surprised. I wish we would get the Dollar Plus stores here the way you all have them in the USA, but we, as far as I know, do not have any of those yet in Canada. If you are from Canada and you have seen them in your area, then please let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, that was quite shocking. So I just, again, wanted to pop on here to say hi, to wish you all well. I hope you're all doing well and you have all been well. Just to let you know that I still am here. So I'm just going to quickly go through this haul because I am kind of in a rush, and I'm just going to pick up the items and show you the things that I did get. So again, the surprising item that I just noticed a few minutes ago, I did pick up some Betty Crocker icing. My daughter likes to make cupcakes, and so we usually do like to make them from scratch, but sometimes if we're in a hurry and we want to make something quick, then we'll do the box cakes and then pick up this icing. So I did get 3 of the chocolate and then 3 of the whipped vanilla. And those were the only 2 that they did have. But they happened to be our favorites, so that was good. I picked up about 4 of these Duster Chiffon Microfiber dusters. I just like to keep one of these in all the rooms so that when I need to dust something, I know there's always one in the room available. So then I came across this item, which was actually a really nice find for me because I have my large tote bag and I carry my makeup in there, and for the amount of makeup that I have to use 2 makeup bags, and I just always wanted to have them in one. So I came across this really nice makeup bag over in the bridal section, like the for the wedding and, you know, all the decorations and baby stuff. And so yeah, they had these there. There were 2. One was white. I can't remember what it said, but if I took a picture of it, I will include it in this video. And then you can see it says Mrs. and then it's scratched out and then it says Miss. So I thought that was really cute, and it's a really nice size. So I'll be able to fit all my makeup into this one bag. I did pick up some floral flowers, and then I double checked on my receipt to make sure that these hadn't gone up to $2, but they are still at $1.50. So I picked up this mini mum, and mums are one of my favorite, especially during fall. And then these mums as well. So there's the yellow, but I also picked up the orange. Just some more orange mums. And then I picked up the burgundy mums as well. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to do a wreath with these or just an arrangement. I think I might end up doing the wreath for my front door. And then I picked up these, which are mini sunflowers. So I did get 2 of those. And then some more mini mums. And then I picked up these, which I thought were so pretty, artificial pampas, if that's how you pronounce it. If I pronounced it wrong, I'm sorry, but I thought these were really pretty to add in there. And I did get 2 of those. Oh, also with the icing, I just picked up this container of sprinkle mix. And they are just the orange, purple, and black. And then actually, before I get to that, I did pick up some nail polish for fall. And this is the gel, One Step Gel by Tivoli. So I picked up this pretty dusty rose color. And then I picked up this one here, which is like a copper. Really pretty. And then this one, which is like a brown color, really nice for fall. And then I picked up the Fast Dry Top Coat. And then I went to the winter Christmas items because they started bringing that out already. I can't believe it. So by Christmas House, I saw these that were new this year that I hadn't seen before at my Dollar Tree. And they are like a fir wreath with this really pretty greenery, and then the buffalo check red and black ribbon, and this little jingle bell in the center. So I picked up 2 of those. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm sure I'll use them someplace. And then the last thing that I picked up, which I meant to get these last year and I was a little bit late on them, and I had an idea for these that I wanted to do last year, but because I didn't get them in time, I saw them so many times and I never picked them up. And then when I finally decided, they were already gone. So I think I'm gonna do my idea for this year. I want to use these in my coffee bar area, and I'm not quite sure whether I want to even change the colors. I don't know yet. I'm still deciding on how I want to do it, but if I end up recording that, then I will share it. It's nothing big, but just something that I can share. So I picked up the Fire Hall, the church, the Cobblestone School, Cobblestone Bed and Breakfast. This one I thought was so cute. Cobblestone Sweets and Treats. And the last one I picked up was the house. And I did notice that these ones here, which I didn't notice it last year, or I don't know, I thought last year when I did see these, they had the little tab where you pull it out. Maybe I can't remember, but these ones here, they take 2 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna have to pick up some batteries for these. And I also saw where they had the houses, they had the trees, which I did not see them last year. So I don't know if it was just new to my Dollar Tree, but they had the little bristle brush trees, and they had a little star at the top, and it was already, it had a light strand on it. And again, I believe that took batteries. I'm not 100% if it took batteries or it did have the little tab, but nevertheless, it did have a light strand on it so that it could light up, which I was gonna grab one of them, and then I decided not to because they didn't look very even. They were all, and I know I could have played around with it to fix them, but I just decided to pass on them. But guys, that's it. That's my quick Dollar Tree haul. Again, this was more so just to pop in here and say hi, and wish you all well, and tell you that hopefully I will be back soon. I don't want to make promises. I know I've said it so many times, and then something comes up, and then I feel really bad about taking forever to get back on here. But hopefully if she gets into the swing of things and she can work well, pretty much independently. I mean, I'm always here if she needs a hand, but once she gets on a better track, as I said, then I hope to be back on here with some DIYs and some more hauls. Until then, guys, you take care. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new, then I would love it if you did. Until then, guys, until that next video, take care, God bless, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.